So you may have heard a lot about these interlocking deck tiles, how easy they are to transform a space. But are they really that easy? Let's put it to the test. Thank you to Upa Lang for sending this 9-piece interlocking deck tiles. There are 9 pieces total. Each is 12 by 12, and then it is 3/4 of an inch high. Now on the back side, it has an interlocking grid, which provides not only reinforcement, but it has these little legs on each part of the grid system that keeps this raised off of the surface that you set it on, whether that be inside or outside, and it allows for proper drainage. I really like the color of these because I feel like whether you have dark colors or light colors, that this would work great. It does have some darker grains in the wood, but overall it's a nice light color. It's called a golden teak color, and I just feel like it would fit so many different decorating styles. Okay, now how do you interlock these? It's so simple. Each piece that you receive has 2 female edges and 2 male edges. So on the female edge, it has the open spot, and then you will just take the male edge that has the interlocking pieces and connect it like so. There's 9 pieces total, so you have 9 square feet. I am going to try this out in a shower that my husband built in his mudroom. It has a concrete floor. The shower is beautiful, but the concrete floor I'm not loving. And so I'm gonna try these there. Now, if we need them cut down to size, they easily cut to size, which is very nice. This would be really nice outside of a hot tub or a sauna as the place to step. It's so smooth, it'd feel good on your feet, keep things clean, and look really sharp. Okay, here's the shower before. As you can see, pretty cool shower, especially for a shop mudroom. But when we get to the concrete floor, not so good. So I'm going to try and make this a little bit better. As you can see, these are already going into place just great. This one looks like it may need, I think, really only the plastic trimmed down a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and lay the last 3 pieces. And now for the grand reveal. Wow, much better. Took me 2 minutes probably, and it's done. Much better, 10 out of 10 recommend. I think I'll get another set when we get our hot tub this spring and use them there as well.